Vision, where we bring you the most iconic cars and their fascinating stories. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1970 Citroën 2CV, a car that became a symbol of simplicity, practicality, and innovation. The Citroën 2CV, affectionately known as the Tin Snail, was designed to provide affordable transportation for rural France. Despite its modest appearance, the engineering behind this car was nothing short of revolutionary. By 1970, it had retained its core design but had gained a loyal following worldwide. Inside the 2CV, everything is minimalist yet functional. The hammock-style seats offer unexpected comfort, and the dashboard is stripped down to the essentials. It's a reminder of Citroën's focus on simplicity and efficiency, making the car both lightweight and easy to maintain. The heart of the 1972 CV is a 602 cubic centimeters, two-cylinder engine producing just over 28 horsepower. While it's not a powerhouse, the car's lightweight design ensures it delivers a nimble and efficient driving experience. Its fuel economy made it a favorite during times when affordability mattered most. One of the standout features of the 2CV is its ingenious suspension system. Designed to handle rough terrain, it provides a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Whether navigating cobblestone streets or dirt roads, the 2CV delivers unmatched comfort for a car of its class. By the 1970s, the 2CV wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. It represented freedom, reliability, and the joy of motoring in its purest form. Its quirky design and practical nature made it beloved across generations, cementing its legacy as one of the most memorable cars of all time. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1970 Citroën 2CV, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our classic car features. Drop a comment below and tell us which iconic car you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.